Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about a new trading strategy called the Ichimoku system. It's a day trading strategy that will help you make a good profit and definitely enhance your trading abilities. The Ichimoku indicator is one of the most popular indicators in the market, and it can give good results if used correctly. To understand this strategy properly, I recommend you watch the entire video till the end and also take notes, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section and I will be happy to answer all of them. Before we dive into more details, to encourage us to produce more educational materials for free, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get our latest updates. Now without further ado, let's jump right into it. The Ichimoku Cloud is a collection of technical indicators that show support and resistance levels, as well as momentum and trend direction. And it is basically a combination of 5 different indicators. So let's start by providing a brief introduction of each of these indicators. The first indicator is the lagging span. It's this line in the current bar's closing price, which is plotted 26 periods back. The lagging indicator is often used as confirmation of signals and can also serve as support and resistance levels. The second indicator is the conversion line. It's a short-term trend line similar to a 10-period moving average. It's known as the churning line and it's a signal of a region of minor support or resistance. This component is calculated by taking midpoints between the highest high and the lowest low over the past 9 periods. The third one is the baseline, also known as the confirmation line. This component also serves as a signal for support and resistance levels, and many traders use this line as a level of trailing stop. It also serves as an indicator of a trend. If the price is above the baseline, then the market is in a bullish territory. Likewise, if it's below the line, it's in a bearish territory. Now this line is calculated by taking the midpoints between the highest high and the lowest low over the past 26 periods. The fourth indicator is the leading span A. This line forms one of the boundaries of the cloud. This component is calculated by taking the average of the conversion line and the baseline, and is very unique in the sense that the results of his calculations are plotted 26 periods ahead. This means that today's span A line was actually plotted 26 days ago. The fifth and last indicator is the leading span B. This line forms the other boundary of the cloud, and is calculated by taking the midpoints between the highest high and the lowest low over the past 52 periods. And like the leading span A line, this is also plotted 26 periods ahead, and it's similar to a 50% Fibonacci retracement. Now after introducing the different components of our indicator, let's jump to the chart to explain our trading strategy. One important thing to note, traders are using this indicator in different ways, and usually their methods are very complex and not that easy to grasp. What we will try to do in our strategy is to provide you with a very simple and direct system which you can easily incorporate into your own trading, and you will immediately see fantastic results. Now let's start by establishing the conditions of entry in the case of a long position. Basically, we have 4 rules which needs to be met before we enter our trade. The first one is that the candles must cross above the Ichimoku cloud, and the second rule is that the cloud must be green 26 periods in front of the current candle. The third rule is that the conversion line must cross above the baseline. And the last one is that the lagging span must also cross above the cloud. So let's try to find some positions to trade. In the chart we see that the price closed above the Ichimoku cloud here, and the cloud is turning green in front of the current candle. Also the conversion line crossed above the baseline, and finally the lagging span crossed above the Ichimoku cloud. So in this case all the rules are completed and we are ready to put our entry after the opening of the next candle, putting our stop loss under the Ichimoku cloud and targeting 2 times our risk. And as we can see, the market goes up and hit our target. In this second example, we can clearly see that the price closed above the Ichimoku cloud and all the other conditions are met. The cross between the conversion line and the baseline, the Ichimoku cloud is turning green and the lagging span also crossed the cloud, which means it's time to enter a long position here. As usual, we put our stop loss under the cloud and the target is 2 times our risk. And as expected, the price goes up again and hits our take profit. I should probably mention that this strategy might seem a little bit overwhelming at first glance, but I can assure you that with enough practice, you will definitely understand the mechanism of it and you will start to see good results. So now let's switch to the case of short positions. The rules in short positions are practically the opposite of the rules in long positions. And this simply means that the price must close under the Ichimoku cloud, and the cloud must be read 26 periods in front of the current candle. Also, the conversion line must cross under the baseline, and finally, the lagging span must cross under the Ichimoku cloud. So let's try to find some positions to trade. In this chart, we have a short opportunity. The price crossed under the Ichimoku cloud, and the cloud is turning red. Also, the conversion line crossed under the baseline, and the lagging span crossed above the Ichimoku cloud. So in this case, we enter a short position, putting our stop loss above the cloud, and we target 2 times our risk. In this case, the market goes down and hits our target. In this second example, we have a short position here. All the rules are checked, and we enter a short position with our usual stop loss and take profit. And as expected, the price goes on our favor and hit the target. As a conclusion, you should keep in mind that you can use this Ichimoku strategy in different ways, and you can also eliminate any line you want based on your trading strategy. For example, many traders use only the cross between the conversion line and the baseline, and others use the cross of the Ichimoku cloud. But in our strategy, we tried to combine as many indicators as we could in order to get the most efficient and profitable signals. So please take your time to understand the rules of this strategy, and I can guarantee to you that your results will enhance tremendously. Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get our latest updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.